Hi everybody, just wanted to show you this quick tutorial on how to make and attach a bow to any of your Christmas projects. I'm going to show you by just using the smaller ribbon. And all I do is basically just take it in and pinch it like this. Make sure I give me enough slack off my roll. And then give it a twist and bring up the other end to make another loop. I want to make sure my loops are not too big because it's going to go in the center of the big blue bow and I don't want to cover the entire bow. Just gather and make another loop and gather it in the middle. Then I'll make another loop, turn it, and make another loop. I'm going to do 6 loops altogether. Turn that, since my ribbon is not double-sided, so if it were double-sided you wouldn't have to do that twist, but I want to turn it to where it's showing. And then I'll just cut this length tail, same as this one. And I'm going to take a zip tie with this. I'm going to bring the zip tie around and pull it really tight. And I'll fluff out our bow a little bit. And I'm going to dovetail the ends. And then the way I attached this bow on here was I stuck it, I put it at the top, but I put pipe cleaner around it. And you can see right here, I'll just show you that I just twisted it and pulled it really hard and twisted it so it would stay tight right below where your hook is to hang up your swag. So what I'll do next to attach this one is I'll take another pipe cleaner, wrap it around my bow and twist it really tight. And then I'll just go through and do the same thing I did with this bow and just kind of wrap it around your paint stick in the back. Pull it really tight and then just take them and twist them together from the back. Okay. I'll fluff out my bow. Thanks for watching everybody. You can check out the full tutorial on how to make this Christmas swag here below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any other Christmas tutorials.